Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goals. When everything seemed to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. Vision without execution is just hallucination. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Money doesn't change men, it merely unmasks them. If a man is naturally selfish or arrogant or greedy, the money brings that out, that's all. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. There is no disgrace in honest failure, there is disgrace in fearing to fail. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. The natural thing to do is to work, to recognize that prosperity and happiness can be obtained only through honest effort.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.